How did she start?
Nothing between us only.
Okay, is it? And by the way, between us means you and me,
No,
which I don't
they
know.
I
are-
think only Munib because I don't know what's happening.
Even I don't know what's happening, so it's all
Then
right.
Munib, I think it's just with you.
Okay. Oh,
Yay!
this Jerry!
Tom
Yay!
and Jerry, how we appreciate that name.
I know that's cute, and you know that little birdie in there, that should be Usman, right? Tom and Jerry.
Yes, that duck. Oh, that
So cute. That's
duckling.
really cute.
Yes. Aparna ma'am, hi.
Hello everybody.
You are Scarlett. You need to rename yourself to Scarlett, and Shruti ma'am, you're the Iron Man. You know,
Iron Man.
I love Iron
Hello,
Man.
Shruti ma'am.
Hello everyone.
So just rename. Whoever is the host could do it. You know.
Thanos is the host. Can you believe it? The irony.
He's invited. That's a trap. That's the reason it's a trap. You know.
Thanos is hosting a fun party with Avengers invited.
No.
Wow.
That's a trap.
Awil needs to know this.
Mama, name yourself as Thor.
Okay, Mama has to rename herself Thor. Yeah.
Thor, yeah.
All right. I like the name Thanos has given to himself. He wanted to snap
Thanos, I want to. What?
Alfia ma'am.
Who's Alfia? We don't know who's Alfia.
I know we have Hulk with us.
We have Hulk today. Oh, God.
All right. Vidya ma'am, come on. You need to rename yourself. You look pretty as always. You know, even in that Chuck Day poster and the Marvel poster, you were the only one who looked pretty. Rest all
And
looked
Shruti
horrible.
ma'am. And Shruti
Shruti
ma'am.
was
Vidhi ma'am
awesome
and
in
Shruti
Chuck
ma'am.
Day.
Whoa. Amazing.
Shruti was awesome in Chuck Day, you know. She really
Definitely.
looked cool.
She seemed as a part of the team, like, you know.
Hello, everybody. Yes, if I could just snap one person in this group. Oh, look at them. Oh, all of you. So amazing kids. This is nice to see all of you. Okay, so that's it. Where is everybody else? Where is Shazia, ma'am?
Oh, no, we don't have Shazia. We have Thor. You know what? Thor was having bare arms and bare legs and with a scarf. It was awesome.
My goodness. Mute. Put
That's like Zainab, Umayma, Khadija, you know, like wearing short skirts and then having a scarf.
Just put her in the waiting room. Wait, who's the host? Come on, Sophia, please make us the host. I don't want her.
Let's speak.
There you are.
You're
All
the
right.
host. Make me the host.
Oh, look at that. What that? Oh my goodness. This Curies. Hey, Curies, who invited you? We didn't invite you.
Curies don't need invitation, sir. They
Have-
invite themselves.
Can please, Softy, can you rename and please make us the host? I see you are the host. And I have no idea who are the other teachers whose names are there, so I have to find out. Okay, there is Shruti ma'am. Okay, I'm the host now, so I can make few of okay. Do we wait for 2-3 minutes? Just get few more people. It's a new link, I know.
Yes. I
Okay.
think we should.
All right. This is wonderful. So there is Captain America. Where are you? Okay. There is. Okay. I think we are good. I've got at least a couple of your co-hosts. All right. So we're going to have a good fun time. Yes, that's what we're going to do today. Everyone's all excited. Oh, the Thor is here. Look at that.
Yay, Thor! Or use your hammer on Thanos, okay? If it troubles us
Yes,
too much.
please.
Good, you did not tell what you said before. The good Thor is good. I did not hear. All right. All right. How are you, Humaira, Rushda? What is Gumball doing? Good. Saklen. Nice. Good. There are a lot of them. I think there's the other group. There's a second page as well. Okay.
Yes,
Okay, Aisha, any question you can ask right now before the session starts? Aisha Aga, go ahead.
And Abdullah Saqib.
Oh, yeah, Abdullah Saqib.
Last 5 minutes only for Abdullah Saqib.
Right. Oh, wow. Look at that. Humaira Qasim, Wonder Woman. Nice. I
What's
like-
in the person's thing? I don't see any. I see something down.
Ahmed, go and just put a tape on Khadija's mouth.
No, no.
He would
What
do
is
it
he trying
gladly.
to say?
He would do it
Oh,
gladly.
he's gone. Ahmed, no. Ahmed went away. Ahmed.
Ahmed is savage, okay? That's you have to be
Really?
careful.
So
Yeah.
is Rushda. So is Rushda.
Okay. Muazzam Mudabar, you can stay muted the whole time. Anyway, you're not going to speak, right?
No, no,
Yeah.
you should listen them in the lit circle, you know.
You know,
I shouldn't
today.
be laughing too much.
Bullying.
All right. I think there's just another 2 minutes. Alfie, I mean, just speak anything. You know, we just want to waste
No,
time.
no.
So,
Just speak anything, yeah, that's right.
like what you do in the class, just do that part.
And the meetings too.
Wow!
Go ahead.
You're supposed to have my back, Captain.
Oh, sorry, I forgot we're the same team. And
What?
it's Thanos. I really forgot, you know. वो भाई बहन का प्यार उभर के आया so no more भाई बहन का प्यार. Thanos, your other team. This is
Oh,
my
really?
team now.
Okay, okay.
Can you have Bhai Behan ka pyar after what he did on the group from the past 2 days with 2 pictures?
All my editing skills, you know, all my editing skills. This is the most difficult people were to fit in with Alfia Mem and Shazia. They're just not fitting in.
I understood what kind of fit you're talking about.
Aparna ma'am anyway is silent. I could fit her anyway and she'll not complain. That is the wonderful part of being Aparna ma'am. All right. Okay, we got. Okay. Let's start with something to ask. Okay, Abdullah. Yeah, there you are. Where is Abdullah Patel? Abdullah, if you had any teacher as your classmate, who would you choose? Come on, Abdullah.
Shruti ma'am.
Whoa, that's nice.
wow.
Brownie point. Why, Abdullah? Just yesterday you were telling me, no, Shruti ma'am, to ऐसी है, वैसी है. I heard you say that.
Sir, you are lying.
That's right for you.
Yeah, okay. Ahmed, if you get any teacher as your classmate, who would that be, Ahmed?
Maybe Aparna ma'am.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I'm so happy I'm not hearing the name I really don't want to hear. Mohammadi, if you get anyone as your classmate, who would that be?
Alfia ma'am.
Yay!
Waiting room.
Ahmed.
All right, so officially we start a fun day. Hopefully, I don't really know the time, how it goes on. There's nothing seriously planned. Trust me, everybody. We're going to have just an interesting idea that we thought we'll ask you questions. You ask us questions, and that's how we're going to go. So this is a fun day. We officially start. Are we all good to go, Alfia ma'am? You're my
Yes,
co-host, right?
Today we
Yes,
are the
I am.
teachers and the teachers are students.
So
Absolutely.
I have few agents, yes, Abdullah, and I have few agents from amongst you, all right? And I have given them the set of questions. So let's start. Let's get started, okay?
Come on, we are on a roll, everybody.
We call this session as Let's Get Questioned, all right?
Oh.
And everybody gets to answer. The teachers can answer. The questions are based on certain teachers. Okay, so first we start with the mighty, our captain,
There you
Shabana ma'am.
Put
Oh,
that.
That's it. Let's get questions. Shabana ma'am. The questions are based on Shabana ma'am. All right, let's go.
If Savannah ma'am had a pet dog, what would it be called?
Oh, that's Rushta asking.
That's easy, Abdullah. He's my puppy as it is.
Wow, if Shabana ma'am had a pet dog, the name would be Abdullah.
Did I hear Imran? Oh, yes, Imran.
Please, that's muted.
Wow.
Oh, he's my puppy as it is. So I already have a dog, you know.
Let's
All right.
What is Savannah ma'am's favorite movie?
My favorite movie would be I don't know, there are so many of them, you know. So could I tell something from the latest one?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, you know, something which just happened.
Or the kids can guess too, you know. We don't only want Shabana
Avengers.
to tell her favorite movie.
Okay, Avengers. No, Avengers, no, but right. Okay, so I'm supposed to answer or they're going to answer for me?
Anybody can answer.
Yeah, anybody, exactly.
Kids, y'all
Anyone
can
can
answer for me. Go on for this one.
Go ahead. Take a wild guess. Huh?
Avengers and
Avengers Endgame. All right, we have one response.
Okay.
What is your favorite flower?
Okay. Humaira, answer this one also. Okay, we'll take Humaira's question for sure. But what's that one movie she may really like?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Interesting.
Wow.
Okay.
Shabana ma'am, what's your final call?
I think I'll go with all of them. I'm pretty all right. You know, there's nothing like a favorite movie. There are so many of them, but I love comedy. I love comedy and horror, definitely.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you can go for Three Idiots as well. So
दिल चाहता है
Alfia ma'am.
शबाना दिल चाहता है
Dil Chahta Hai. Okay, Aparna. Dil Chahta Hai. Yes,
Dil
yes.
Chahta
Nice.
Yes,
Oh,
Abdullah.
awesome.
Alfia ma'am, your homework is that you have to wear a seat belt.
Ma'am,
Seat, and then you will have to see a horror movie.
No way I'm watching a horror movie, please.
ma'am, I know my mother's favorite movie. It's
Yes,
Raj
Anna.
Mahal. It's Raj Mahal.
What's that Hamdan? What's that Hamdan?
Yes.
Raj Mahal.
Some movie of South Indian movie and even Kanchana, all the parts. One,
Kanchana ji. Oh,
Even I like Kanchana. I have seen all the parts of Kanchana.
wow.
Look at that.
Hindi dubbed.
yeah, yes.
And so you all like South Indian movies?
Yeah, dubbed
Love
South Indian.
movie. Yeah, have you seen Shivaji the Boss?
Uh,
Oh my God.
We saw that horror Raj Mahal and it was like fantastic, you know, humorous.
Munib is wondering what's happening. Look at him. Like I that expression is amazing. Munib,
All right.
we will stick to Bahubali. Don't worry.
Let's go. Rishda, come on, take over.
If Mukesh Ambani were to call Shabana ma'am, what will he ask her?
Actually, I did call. This is real, okay? Thanos, please listen to this and give me a very high raise now, okay? I did get a call from the Ambani family to teach their mother, Kokilaben Ambani. This is, I'm talking 20 years back, computers. Applause, everybody. Come on, guys.
I'm just thinking, what in the world did you say
I
no
don't
to?
know. My mind gears were working, like I swear they were going on.
So, well,
My
guys, Mandalas, you could be proud. Your business studies teacher is somebody who's already been approached by Mukesh Ambani, the family, to teach
Wow.
their mom computers. Yeah.
Lovely.
Oh, nice.
I know he didn't know, see?
This is nice.
How
I-
much salary did you get?
Forget all that. I'm going to start respecting her a little more. Alfia, you're really the only one out now.
Thank you. Let's go.
Sir,
Last
you
question. I think that's
told
the last
us
question.
to go in the waiting room, but you didn't.
No, you just pulling your leg, Umar. How can I let you all go?
All right, Rishda, I think that's the last question. Let's go.
What cream do you apply?
Sorry, I couldn't get
Which
you.
cream do you apply?
Oh my goodness, I did.
And you know who said the question, right?
Yeah, I could get it. I don't apply any cream, you know, it's natural.
Charcoal.
I'm too lazy for that, you know, applying the cream and all. So it's just jeans, I guess. Yeah.
Wow, that's a lovely answer.
Farhana,
All
can you
right.
please say something more about that?
She's like me, she's even more lazier. Is that a word, lazier?
Mama uses this cream.
Yes. Whoa!
That's
Your
Abdullah's
puppy.
room. That's Abdullah's room.
Your puppy's out there being a cat. Okay. All right, let's go. Next, we have Shruti ma'am. Come on, the next one to be questioned or let's question is Shruti ma'am.
Thank you, Rushda. Love you.
Thank you, Shabana ma'am, for all the answers.
If Shruti ma'am had a pet, what would it be?
I think it would be a dog only because my daughters keep on telling me to keep a dog, but I am against it. So it would be a dog only.
Wow. So this is a thing with Desi parents, you know. When you ask them for a pet, they say no. But when you bring one, they take care of the pet more than their own child. So Shruti ma'am, it's too early to comment now. You shouldn't be saying no. All right, let's go.
The
Okay.
differences between Anita ma'am and Shruti ma'am.
This is for the kids. Come on.
Okay.
Anita Rita ma'am is very strict. She doesn't let us run also. Yes, ma'am. If you stop the recording. But her concepts were very easy. वो बहुत अच्छे से
it now. I'll be changing it now in.
It's every Diwali now. You know this?
Iron Man
every
does not
Diwali.
need to brush, you know.
Okay.
So I will be changing it now in 2 days.
All right. Hold on. Okay. Who's Anita ma'am? Ahmed wants to know. Okay, Ahmed, she was the previous maths and science teacher, right? Sakleen can tell a little more about it.
Don't worry, your Mandela classmates will enlighten you.
What's next, Alfia ma'am?
Yes, Ibrahim, go ahead. That's the last question.
Yeah, that was the last question.
Okay, next we have.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shruti ma'am. Next we have Shazia ma'am. Come on. The one to be questioned or let's
want to say
question. We have
something.
Shazia ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Okay.
Alfia ma'am, you are very smart. You are giving everybody telling that these teachers and you are keeping yourself away.
In the end, we are going to
I will ask you questions, ma'am. I have questions for you.
Okay, boss. I am open. Bring it on. Let's go, Shazia ma'am. Yes.
Hello, here are your questions. If Shazia ma'am was the principal of Golden Sparrow, what would it look like?
that you all have to answer for me. How it will look like? Tell
Go
me.
ahead.
We would have experiments every other day for all the batches.
The kids would enjoy the class.
Yes.
Yeah, Ibrahim, you want to say something?
And we would have more fun activities.
Juveria, wow, thank you, Juveria.
Many more experiments and movies.
It was Aisha.
It was Aisha. Thank you, Aisha.
Our second question.
So hold on. Yeah. Anyone else with Shazia ma'am, the principal? Everyone will be on mute, I guess.
Come on, imagine.
Big experiments. The whole house will explode.
Oh my God.
Fake experiments.
Experiment.
The school will be in chaos.
Yes.
Mohammed, please ask the second
You,
question.
Ibrahim.
School will become experiment.
Experiments. Imitate
For experiments.
experiments. This is for Curies.
Sorry, Mohammed, could you repeat the question?
Imitate Shazia ma'am's experiments.
Okay, imitate Shazia ma'am conducting experiments. Okay, so I think Curies are the best ones who will be able to answer this question.
So Curie.
So they already
First we have to
We have Umaima imitating. Okay, let's go. Yeah.
half cup. Keep water in the glass. Put water in the glass. Can you see it? Then
That's nice, Umaima.
I like the last part. Can you see it then? Okay. All right.
next question.
No.
We'll have one more Curie.
Yeah. After that, let me do it, please.
Okay. We take one more Curie.
Who's
who wants
doing
to
it?
go- who wants to go ahead? Yes?
Khadija, Umar, Mustafa. Where's Mustafa? Okay, Mustafa's going to teach. Show us how Shazia ma'am does experiment. Come on, Mustafa. Spotlight on you.
You have to put soap in the glass. Ali, mute yourself.
That's nice, Umar. Shazia ma'am did just one experiment, the soap one. That's Shazia, the only kids know your soap experiment. It's all you did, I guess.
Really. Soap, clay,
Ice cream.
ice cream.
Shabana ma'am was saying something.
Yes, Shabana ma'am.
During the experiment, yes, Manha, yes, Khadija, you can do that, Khadija. No, Ali, no. And she's so patient and loving. Shazia, you are awesome, and I really want to applaud you for that. So, it was just a tribute to you that how patient you are. Not like somebody and myself and it. Okay, come on, shush. Let the other one speak now. We do that, right, Alfia?
Me too. Can I speak now? Do I have your permission to speak? Oh my God. All right, let's go. Mohammed.
What is your husband's favorite dish?
Do we want to know?
Let me think. Actually, he eats everything.
I'm an omnivore.
That includes Shazia ma'am's brains as well. So you get the point.
Exactly.
May I say? Tea.
Tea.
Yeah. Tea. Oh, tea. All right.
All right.
Let's go with the next one.
What's next, Muhammad?
You snore when you sleep.
Please don't embarrass me.
Oh my God.
Sometimes, yes.
Sometimes. Okay. I
Shazia,
think we get
Shazia,
that
this
right.
is not truth or dare. You have to always be honest, okay?
Oh my God.
Ma'am, that is all done, ma'am.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you, Shazia ma'am.
Doctor,
And we move on to the next one. We have.
wait. There is
Yeah.
someone unknown known as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No, that's not an unknown person.
Who is that then?
Khadija.
It's Khadija. It's okay. Khadija, please put the camera on. We want to see you.
All right. Next, we have Doubtser, who's going to be questioned.
That was
Come
not on the
on.
agenda.
He was not prepared for this. He did not know.
How does Doubtser trouble his wife?
First question. How does Doubtser trouble his wife? Or how do you think Doubtser troubles his wife? The wife is allowed to answer. All the teachers are allowed to answer. All the students are allowed to answer. Come on, bring it on.
See my face, like, how much he troubles me.
By cooking for her, Yahya, by taking her on a walk, by giving her
Doubtser is
gifts
not allowed
every
to answer.
month.
And eating all the chicken.
Yeah! Eating all the chicken, see? You don't give her chicken. That's so mean.
By teasing her.
By asking tea again and again.
I ask you, wow! Shazia ma'am, I think you're fit to become the principal. Our kids love you. By asking for tea again and again. By eating all
Next,
the
Yahya,
chicken.
next.
No,
We're
no,
going
no, no,
ahead.
no. Yes. Who wants to say?
Your
All right,
Loud
then
uncle threatens Shazia ma'am. Loud uncle threatens Shazia ma'am by telling, "I will snap you. I'm Thanos."
Yes, Abdullah.
And your kitchen experiments?
Oh, they're Aparna ma'am. I thought you were on my side, Aparna ma'am.
No, Aparna ma'am is on my side.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah,
Next one.
Yeah.
One word that Doubtser says frequently.
One word.
Tea. I want tea.
Even I have one. Yes, Shabana ma'am.
There are basically two things. Two things is always with Doubtser.
All right, anybody else? Any wild guess? So there's tea that he says frequently. There are two things is his word. I have one. How about others?
Even mobile.
Even mobile. All right, he wants his mobile all the time. Doubtser has, I have observed this. Oh, that's interesting.
That's interesting.
Oh,
When he doesn't find it interesting, that's his word that he uses.
very true. So
That's
these
very
are
polite
most
way of him
frequent.
telling that,
Thanks
oh,
for
I
telling
don't like
us.
your idea.
All right, yeah, let's go with the next one.
Explain the science behind Betty bought the butter to make bitter butter better.
You are a science teacher now. You have to explain.
When language and lit circle teachers really teach bad English, you have to put that science in it.
I was not ready for this. Okay.
Okay, Yahya.
And the
Are we
next,
done?
yeah. Do we have one
If
more?
you were to remark Three Idiots, whom would you cast?
If you were to remake Three Idiots, who would you cast?
Okay, the Three Idiots. We will have Shruti ma'am as what is that? The
Ranchor Das
Ranchor Das. You know who Virus is. That's Shabana ma'am. Chatur is definitely Alfia ma'am.
Oh, astaghfirullah. Why am I just?
Chatur is Shivalingam, and
Oh.
Shazia ma'am is that quiet boy. What's that actor? The Ferrari guy who jumps up.
Ah,
Shaman Joshi.
German Joshi.
Raju
And
Rastogi.
Raju Rastogi. And the other guy,
Madhavan.
Madhavan
Madhavan,
would
Farhan
be,
Nitrate.
yeah, Madhavan would be, I think I'll get Vidhi ma'am become Madhavan.
Oh, great, sir.
Wow.
I'm going to. Okay, go on, meet with you, ma'am.
I thought I would be the Kareena Kapoor, you know.
Oh,
Oh, look at that.
yes.
Last
I like that
question.
answer. Okay.
Last question. When you get someone stranded at Starbucks to express your apologies, you give them from same floor, Swarovski diamond or Body Shop hamper.
I actually run away, yeah.
That's so mean.
Swarovski diamond, oh my god. Starbucks expensive. I'll not keep anyone waiting from today. Here.
All right, let's go. We have now I am the one who's supposed to get questioned.
Yay,
Okay,
come on, come on.
It's my turn.
Who's asking the question? Where are the students? Did I forget?
Abdullah.
Abdullah, you have the questions.
There's a secret student who's supposed to ask me questions.
Okay, where was the student? Alfia, I forgot to nominate this. Abdullah, we discussed this. Abdullah, what's your question? Go ahead.
Really, Abdullah supposed to question me? Anas, I think Anas is also.
Anas, are
has
you there?
questions as well.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, Anas, go ahead.
Sir,
Anas,
it is
go
for
ahead.
you. Sir, it is for you.
For me?
Oh.
Okay.
Yes, yes. If you could send Alfia ma'am to any planet, which and why?
Oh, Anas, thank you so much for
No,
asking this.
Anas, you cannot do that to me.
Anas, I think I'll pass on to Shruti ma'am. Not only me, there's a lot of other people who wanted to go away. Shruti ma'am, where would you send her?
I would keep her on earth only.
I love you, Shruti ma'am. I truly
Which
love
is-
you.
Moon. Yeah, Mustafa, thank you so much. The furthest and the coldest planet? What is that?
Pluto.
Yeah, we'll send her there.
Please.
I
would send her
to Mercury. I will send you to that.
The next question.
Sir, if we send her to Mercury, she will be dead.
Son. My biggest fear is not horror movies. It is Golden Sparrow students.
Especially
The
curious.
next,
Okay,
the
then the
next
Captain
question.
America will send you to. Captain America is going to send you to Titan to destroy Thanos. Is that okay, Hulk?
Yes, go ahead.
This is the next question. Why did the ghost run away after seeing Alfia ma'am?
Because Alfia ma'am was the ghost known as the Hulk. Because Alfia ma'am shouted.
Asha wants her to go out of galaxy.
What? Muskila is funny. Look at her.
Because Alfia ma'am was bigger than the ghost.
Scary is the right word.
Wow.
The ghost saw Alfia ma'am's DP as a panda. Then only he ran away.
That's scared
Sir,
of the
send her
pandemic.
to Mercury so that she can
He
be
can be
saved.
something. Muskila is funny.
Okay.
The third question.
Yes, Anas, go ahead.
Which student do you think hates Alfia ma'am?
No one.
No one.
No, Mama.
Abdullah is raising his hand.
Yeah.
Yes, Abdullah.
Come on, Amina Agat, go ahead. Tell your secrets. You hate her, right?
No. Exams are already over. You can say.
Yes, Abdullah.
Oh my God, this is funny. Yes, Abdullah, go ahead.
What's your question to Abdullah?
No, I think he wanted to answer a question.
No, I was just raising my hand because I don't like Alfia ma'am.
Wow, I am
Look at
hurt.
that. Okay, so now we have just few more questions.
Sir, the last question.
Yeah, go ahead. Yes.
Alfia
in
ma'am
that-
is the Alfia ma'am is the muter and the means the chat disabler of the session. She always mutes me.
The destroyer of
Yes.
evil.
Sir, the last
That's
question.
why I don't like her.
Anas, go ahead, Anas.
Enact Alfia ma'am
Like
solving
you
a
love me, I know
math
that.
problem.
Enact Alfia ma'am solving a maths problem.
Come on,
Who's gonna do
everybody
that?
gotta do this. I want to see.
Me.
5
Yes, Sophia.
Mohammed Saqib.
5 divided by 9.
What is the answer of
5 9
She'll put
Mohammed Saqib.
in the dustbin.
What's the
Nine.
answer for 2 plus 2 is
59.
Alfia, even the Curies are answering. Zainab says she'll put something in the dustbin. I don't know what she said.
What? She put something in the dustbin.
She would put the question paper after dustbin.
123 plus 123.
Okay, now I think we are done with the questions, but I have got 2 questions for Vidhi ma'am. I think only the Curies know her. Aparnam, everybody knows her, except 2 students who really don't like her. Okay, where are those? No, I'm not naming that. I think okay, now my question to all of you for Aparna ma'am is, how could such a wonderful person like Aparna ma'am be Shabana ma'am's best friend? Come on, answer.
Opposites attract.
Opposite.
Oh, she agreed. Shabana ma'am, she agreed.
No. This is just a joke, Shabana.
No. True.
My favorite person on this earth.
Oh, no. Come on, everybody.
Shabana.
Who's going to enact Alfia, who's going to enact Aparna ma'am taking an arts class? Come on.
Hello.
Humaira Qasim, go ahead. Tom and
We
Jerry,
have
yes.
Tom and Jerry. We have Umar as well. Umar, Hamdan, Humaira. Humaira, let's go with you first.
Not me.
Okay.
Umar, go ahead. Umar.
Sir, I want to ask you a question.
I will, but Hamdan, go ahead. Hamdan's enacting Aparna ma'am.
Okay, Hamdan.
You know this sum? I don't know this sum. You only solve. I'll leave the meeting.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's you.
Aparna ma'am, not me.
Who's going to enact? Oh, where's Mozam? Are they here?
Yes, they are.
Mozam, how does Aparna ma'am take an arts class? Come on, Mozam.
No, not them.
Me.
Okay. Go ahead.
That's I don't really know how to enact, but she just says mix these paints and put this powder in it, and now take the palette knives and do it in such a way that the surface is rough, it is not very smooth.
Me. I can enact.
Can we go ahead? Is everybody done?
Okay.
Oh,
You show me a painting. Lovely. Very nice. Lovely.
Thank you. That is cute.
Please, today we are going to make galaxy painting.
Yay! We are going to create some magic. Who'll say
Yes.
that?
Fans all over, and everyone's paying attention. I love
Hello,
what Mozam
hello,
said.
everyone. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Please. Can you see my painting, please? Yes. Can you see it? Okay.
Today we are going to make a fairyland.
Wow.
Is this okay? Can you see?
Wow, my God, everybody is imitating.
Also,
Ali is
can
raising his hand. Alfia
Yes,
ma'am,
yes,
Ali.
Ali, go ahead.
Ali,
go ahead.
yes.
Ali Sharif.
Now we want to stick the. You want to stick up the stickers in the space.
Oh, Aparna ma'am, I've never seen an arts teacher having so much of impact. The kids are, and that is amazing. Really, hats off to you. Really, hats off to you.
Thanks,
Okay,
all
you-
kids. I love you all.
Can I ask you a question?
No. Humaira Qasim raised the hand. I have to go to her, Alfia ma'am. Humaira.
Yes.
You can see it properly. This is correct.
Oh, God, that's
Okay,
so
First, you
Mustafa.
have to take the prints and paint, and then put it on the flower. Then you
Oh,
have
look.
to take the lemon yellow color. Then put it on the circle of the flower.
What's
Sure,
a
Shri.
lemon yellow color?
It's
Wonderful.
amazing how
Okay.
you remember
Hey, hold on.
instructions
I'm
and
so
you-
sorry. No, that's it. I think I know the most popular teacher now. The one teacher they're not electrocuting is you, Aparna ma'am. Yes. Okay, last question. All the Curies. Vidhi ma'am, when she takes a maths class and someone's really making a lot of noise, how does she react? Come on, Curies.
Mute yourself.
Okay, Vidhi ma'am, when she gets angry, what happens?
She never gets angry.
Really?
She never gets angry.
Yeah, Ali.
For Curie.
He talks fast.
She talks fast.
I think so. She talks fast.
Okay, 2 questions. Vidhi ma'am, who is the naughtiest kid in Curie?
No answer. All are really lucky.
Umar?
Yes, Umar something.
Umar, where are you, Umar? Umar, no, is Vidhi ma'am naughty or your sister's naughtier? Umar Jadwit, go ahead.
My sister is not here.
Really? Okay. All right, fine. Alfia ma'am, what's next? This is the teachers round done. Are we going for the bingo, everybody?
I want to ask you a question.
Me, please, yeah, go ahead.
If you have to name the planet from the teachers, who would be who?
I will send Shabana ma'am to outside the Milky Way.
I want to only tell one. Jupiter is Alfia ma'am. Jupiter is Alfia ma'am.
Yeah, I don't know about other planets, but Shazia ma'am would be Saturn. She's got those halo rings around her. She's an angel, you know that?
Oh.
But she's
Sir,
still
can I
alive.
ask you a question?
Sir, you're saying this only to get food today.
Oh, look at them. Alfia ma'am, next round.
Sir, can I ask you a question?
There is a special place in my heart for you. Remember that.
Okay.
All
now,
right, let's
quick-
start. Yeah.
Yes. Sorry, Alfia ma'am. One quick announcement. Okay, we'll do the bingo. Then we have these medals coming up for all of them.
Okay, that's lovely.
What
and
did
that's
you say?
exciting.
What did you say?
I said, is that Khadija? I said we'll play a little game and then some special surprises for all your way. Okay? Alfia, let me explain the rule and I'll just open the slide up.
Yes. All right. So next we have is Golden Sparrow Bingo. All right. Now all of you must have played bingo sometime in your life, like somewhere. So you know how this goes about. Sorry. What you need is you need a pencil and a paper. All right. And we are going to make the bingo first, and then as and when I read out the question, and if you feel that's the answer to the bingo or the question asked, you're gonna strike it off. Yes? Should I repeat?
Okay, ma'am.
First, number one. Everybody, I think we need a pencil and a paper.
Okay, Alfia ma'am, just one minute, sorry, interrupting. What you can do is you can ask a question and you will annotate on the screen, but you must, this is our team, these are our students, they know the muting and unmuting. You can say, okay, this is a Curie question or a right question, and only those will unmute and shout the answer. So we'll
All
keep it
right,
simple.
cool. We can go ahead with that. Then
Yeah.
I think they'll
Yes,
it will
we don't
save
need
them
a
the
paper.
trouble of getting a paper. and a
Right.
pencil.
Only just
Perfect.
can you annotate on the screen? Can you see? Or anyone can annotate for that matter. The Curies or the Wrights or the Mandelas, whoever's name you shout out.
Okay, we can
Yeah?
do that.
Is the annotation on? Let me check.
Yes.
Yeah, we on. We are perfectly on. Can I go with the answers on the screen, Alfia ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, here you go.
There it is. Okay. So this is your bingo ticket, as you call it, with the answers in it. And we go ahead with the questions. All right. The first question. We all know the M&Ms of Mandela. Who are the M&Ms of Curie?
Musfira Sayyed and Musfira
Musfiras.
All right. So it's
Musfira Rizwani.
Musfiras. All right. Doubtful. All right. Should I annotate? Okay. Ibrahim Rizwani did. All right. Next question.
Ma'am, there is no annotation option.
It is there. If it's on the mobile, a little difficult, but otherwise you should get it.
All
It's
right.
okay. You shout the answer. It's okay.
It's
Whenever
okay.
she
You can
says.
say, yeah, exactly. Okay. What is the next question? Okay. How many YouTube subscribers do we have on Golden Sparrow's YouTube channel?
68.
471.
471? 68. Okay, 68 is the right answer. All right. Let's go with the other question. One minute. Yeah. Who shares the same building as Shruti ma'am?
Umar Jadwit.
Umar Jadwit.
Wow. Oh Well translate. That's right. Okay.
Ma'am, because I have
Golden
seen
Sparrow's
Shikram.
logo has dash number of colors in its color wheel. Golden
17.
Sparrow.
17.
17. That's lovely. That's lovely. Okay. When did Golden Sparrow officially start its first
8
session?
June. 8
June.
Whose last name is Priyadarshini? All right, that's lovely. Okay. Which student from RITES has traveled the most during lockdown? Okay, okay. Who's the most talkative student in Mandela? Safia. All right. How many lecture videos does Golden Sparrow's YouTube page have?
471.
All right. Who's the media in charge of Golden Sparrow? Who is Kanchan? Vidhi ma'am. All right. And which day is considered as this day of sparrows?
20th March.
All right. Tagore has branched out from which badge?
Mandela.
Newton has branched out from which badge? You know, that's bingo. And I'm amazed that everybody could answer.
The Manha answer is not done.
Manha is not done.
We should just do all the answers wrong.
Whose last name is Rajput? There it is. There it is. Manha. Rajput. All right. Yes.
Wow.
Tom and Jerry, Cinderella, Amina. Yes, the Agas scribbling on the screen. Lovely.
Lovely the way they answered. It's amazing. And one thing I really want to, appreciate, want to say, 471 sessions. That's all of you. You attended them, of course, in 3 batches, but your teachers did it. I mean, imagine, I just wanted to say this is a big statement to make, but someone called me the other day, day before yesterday, and he said, I've been observing the Golden Sparrow classes. What you did in the last 6 months, schools haven't been able to achieve in the last 1.5 years in physical classes. So hats off to you. First of all, your teachers, the way they have been amazing. And of course, your parents, the ones who have paid fees on time, absolutely, they're first, right? But all of you have been amazing. You've been excellent. This is brilliant what you've done. Okay,
Come on,
so
everybody give a pat on the back. Everybody.
Come on.
Where is the surprise?
Okay, the surprise is, I think all of you are aware of it. We promised you. What did we promise them?
Gold medal.
All right, so here you are. You know your medals. Some of you, I could reach out to you yesterday. Some of you, I will come to your houses. I will give them. Can you please give a shout out to some of your parents, your mothers, your fathers? The medals are with them. I'm sorry, others I will give today. It's been a lot of hectic. I just got the medal. The ones who have the medals, can I quickly ask the parents, say, are my medals at home? But, for example, I'm sorry, Munib and Muspira, your medals, I could not reach out. But there is...
You didn't give me though.
I will give you though.
Why did you give her honey though?
See, Manha, can I have spotlight on Manha? Her medal, look at the smile and the medal. That's a shining gold on Manha. Congratulations. There she is. Wow, all your medals are on the way. This is amazing work. Fantastic, Manha.
Wear it, Manha, wear it.
Manha, wear it and tell us how
Wear
it
it and hold it like an athlete. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Oh, lovely. There she is. Manha, how do you feel? Come on, I want Manha to speak. Shazia, can your cutie speak, please?
Yes. Manha, please speak. How do you feel, Manha? After wearing your medal?
I can't hear you.
Manha, how do you feel?
I feel lovely.
Oh.
Fantastic.
Perfectly splendid. That's wonderful, Manha. All right. Mazam Mudabar, do you have your medals with you? The M&Ms.
Sir, we don't know.
Oh, just check with your dad. Come on, go, run. Humaira Kazi.
Udapin didn't even wait for you to finish. He
Yes.
just went for his medal.
Abdullah Patel, Umaima Patel, your medal.
Oh!
All right, there you are. Some of you, I'm so sorry I could not. Oh, Ibrahim, I know you're next door. It was exhausting. I'm coming with your medals, all of you. Amina and Aisha, Agaz, where are your medals? Come on, can I have both the girls speak? Please help me. You can choose names. You can ask anybody to speak up. So we can have some of them. There she is, Umaima with a medal. Umaima, how do you feel? Rushda, your medal's coming your way. All right, today I'm going to give to Asif sir. So I'm meeting them. All right, now.
Oh, mine.
Yours coming. Oh, Khadija, how can yours not come in? The gold medalist. Where is Mustafa? Is he there, Mustafa? Oh, Umaima Rizwani, Umaima Sayyed, your medals are coming your way as well, right? I'm so sorry. Like this pandemic, I could not reach out to everybody. But congratulations. Anyone want to speak up? Shabana ma'am, why don't you give me a little pep talk on the medals? How do you feel if you got, you didn't get many in school, but if you had got one, how do you feel?
Oh no, that's where again you go wrong. Again, I need a raise because I was always the topper. Yeah.
Okay.
No, actually, giving the medal was like something tangible, and the kids loved it. I could see that in this assessment, everybody was just like going way beyond themselves, and it was fantastic the way they were like competing with their own self to get the gold medal.
Wow,
So,
wow.
fantastic. Yeah.
So this is amazing. Now I have quick questions for all of you out there. Students, you have to shout an answer. Who is the most well-dressed teacher in Golden Sparrow? Come on.
Alfia ma'am.
Shabana ma'am.
Alfia ma'am.
No one.
So there is a child. Whoa. Alfia ma'am. Shabana ma'am.
Dawood sir.
Thank you.
Dawood sir.
Correct answer. Correct answer.
Dawood sir.
Yes, that's the correct answer. Okay. This is a no-brainer. You get one answer. Which teacher shouts and laughs the loudest?
Like the bear in the forest.
Shabana ma'am.
Oh, where did I go?
There's a tie again.
No, we have a medal coming for Alfia ma'am, our most rocking rock star. Alfia ma'am, your medal will soon reach you. That's a medal for you. So there you are. Absolutely wonderful. Come on, a loud clap for Alfia ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, teachers, background noise is always on. Don't tell my name. Okay, you tell my name.
Alfia ma'am.
No.
Dawood sir.
Not only his background now, he's always interrupting Safia's and Juveria's and
Okay, all right. Now for the youngest group, Curies. Who's your favorite teacher? Okay. Shazia ma'am gets a medal. So a medal and a diamond ring for Shazia ma'am from Golden Sparrow. Yay! All right. Along with Shazia ma'am, I asked Shazia ma'am to help me nominate one more teacher who's been outstanding. The little time she spent with the Curies, she's won their hearts. She's been willing to teach them. She herself is very innovative. Looks young, a mom of an 8th grader. Is that right? Who is it, Shazia ma'am?
Vidhi ma'am.
All right, all the way. Vidhi ma'am, a medalist couriered your way. Another gold medalist. Come on, a big round of applause. Come on, Curie. Vidhi ma'am, an acceptance Oscar speech, please.
Even I wish to have a diamond ring.
Okay. Hello. I can't hear you, Vidhi ma'am. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Okay, next question. All right. Hey, I want one of the Curies to talk about Vidhi ma'am and Shazia ma'am. Come on, Khadija, Miss Firaz, and I want Zing. Come on, tell me about both your teachers. Come on, the Curies. I want one-liners from you.
I love science.
Oh, you love science.
I love maths. I love maths. I love every teacher when they teach nicely.
Okay.
I love maths and science.
That's lovely,
I
Khadija.
like both.
You love both. Come on, speak up. Zainab, Mustafa, come on. I want to hear everybody. Shazia, did I miss any of your queries? Ma'am? Oh, yes.
I like to write numbers.
All right.
I love Shazia ma'am experiments.
Whoa.
Experiments. I love every Friday.
Thank you, Musfira. So lovely. Now, here comes two more teachers who are absolutely amazing. A teacher, I think we were, Shabana ma'am, you will agree with me, we were blessed to find her. Thank you, Umar, to your mom to help us search her. She's been a blessing for Golden Sparrow. I can't thank her enough. The only sane teacher that I have in the team, of course, with you, Aparna ma'am, right? Someone I rely so much. Trust me, she's the backbone. I can go on and on just to tell thank you to Shruti ma'am. Shruti ma'am, a medal coming your way. Thank you so much. The loudest applause for her.
Thank you so much, sir.
Shruti ma'am, we want to hear you out. I know these are really bad, naughty kids that you're teaching, but still, you know, how much you love them, Shruti ma'am?
I love teaching them. I enjoy teaching them, and I always wanted to teach students in a smaller batch. So I just love teaching them. I don't want always in school. Now I used to teach 40 students in a batch, and I never enjoyed. I thought just 10 people sitting in front, and I'm teaching them only, and rest of the students are just having fun and not listening to me and all those things. Now at least I enjoy teaching them. I have a personal rapport with them, and I know that I can deliver good to them. So I'm
Shruti ma'am, trust me, you are the politest maths and science teacher I have ever seen and experienced throughout my school years. You are the politest and the humble of them all.
But I do shout a lot. Ask rights. I do lose temper.
Rights, that is rights. I agree. What are you talking about? Who are you talking about?
Absolutely. Shivana ma'am, what do you have to say about Shruti ma'am? Shazia, what about Shruti ma'am? And I have, Shruti ma'am, also have some of the students speak to you about you and their classes. So first of all, I want the teachers to speak. Shazia, Shivana ma'am.
What Dawood Bhai
Shruti
said,
ma'am's class, yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
Shruti,
Shazia.
you're like a blessing, it's like a rare find, and we are really, really glad to have you. And, it's not just us, it's the students, the way they speak and the way they've been performing says a lot about you. And they absolutely love you. Even though you're an Iron Man, Iron Fist and all, no, they love you. You are fantastic. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Shazi.
They're really absolutely fantastic. I always hear from Juveria and Safia. Actually, now Juveria is like, my favorite subject is maths, and you have inspired her. So thank you very much for being a maths teacher for them.
Thank you so much, Shazia.
Shruti ma'am, also I want to apology, a really, really honest apologies for having students like Ahmed and Safia in your class, right? So Ahmed and Safia, why don't you speak up?
I agree with Alfia ma'am's point. Like, she said that Shruti ma'am is the best maths and science teacher in the world.
Wow.
Oh, big words.
Thank you, sir.
Ahmed.
Coming from Safia, it's great.
Shruti ma'am, she's a very good math teacher.
All right. Like an equation. That's an answer like an equation, Ahmed. Anything you want to add up?
It is to the point answer.
Yes. Farhana, where's the quiet Farhana out there? Come on, Farhana.
Thank you.
Shruti ma'am really explains it really well. So like you understand it nicely, and like even if you don't understand it and you ask her, and she'll keep on making you understand until you get it.
Oh.
That's what a good teacher does, right? Never lets go.
Right. Farhana, I thought that was called Pakana, no? Thank you so much. And you already heard enough about your amazing arts teacher. So I'm not going to go over, but yeah, she's been doing some amazing... Trust me, Aparna ma'am, you instill that love for arts. Not everyone, some of them will get it now. I'm going to get testimonials from them now, so don't worry. But there is a medal coming your way. Aparna ma'am's medal, where is this? Yeah, come on, a round of applause. These are all getting couriered very soon. Aparna ma'am, thank you so much.
Sir, are you just showing one medal all of the time?
Exactly, Munir. Tell me about it. I was like, why is nobody noticing? Why is nobody noticing? Just randomly picking up the same medal, putting it out of the screen and
Alfia ma'am, I've just borrowed Jueria's medal. Munib! All right, so now quickly, I already have heard a lot of you, so don't worry. I'm not going to push you. Sakleen says something. Yes, you can use your chat. Tell us. Actually, I'm going to open the chat. I'm so sorry. Shruti ma'am, if you ask me doubt 100 times, it's fine, but ask me, I'll help you. That's what you say, Shruti ma'am. Wonderful, Sakleen. Thank you so much. Yes, and I already heard about all the praises that Aparna ma'am, you were doing amazing. And the final one, before I go, all of you, by the way, a gold medalist, Ahmed, you know, I'm sorry I could not get the medal delivered to you. Ibrahim, Rizwani, the ones who I could not give you, everyone have a medal coming your way. So there you are. Umar, yes, your medal, I think your sister must have picked up. Umar, did you get a medal? I don't know if he's around. The final one, I hope I've not missed any of the teachers out here who already are deserving. The foundation stone of Golden Sparrow. Trust me, I don't think I would have even thought of a school, an
Sir,
school like this.
One teacher is left.
Who?
You only.
Me? No, hold on. This is
Shabana ma'am, the captain of the teacher.
Yes, the Captain America Munib. Without her, I don't think we all will be around here. Without her, I don't think I would have the courage to start Golden Sparrow. I think if I say a little more, I'll be very emotional. So I will keep quiet. And this is a medal coming your way, Shabana ma'am. You deserve every beat, the loudest and loudest of it. So thank you so much. Alfia ma'am, take over. I don't think I should speak too much.
Okay, so I think you've covered a lot, like almost everything. Shabana ma'am, we are at loss of words, you know, when we have to speak for you, or I don't know how grateful could we be, and especially me. I don't know. I should control myself. I shouldn't really cry out. You have. Oh God, I fail. I'm so sorry. But you are the best. Just know you're the best, and you're the closest person to our hearts. And we really, really appreciate you. We love you. You've been the rock star. The way you take everybody together and you move forward, the faith you show in us, the trust you have placed in us. It's beyond words. It's beyond words. Thank you for being there.
Can I say a quote
Yes.
about
Same
teachers?
feelings for me, with me also, for Shabana ma'am. I agree with you completely.
Can I say a quote for teachers?
Please go ahead, children. Please go ahead.
Our Golden Sparrow teachers are stronger than they believe, smarter than they think, brighter than they shine, and love more than they know.
Oh,
thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Shabana ma'am, what do you have to say about Golden Sparrow?
She's
No
the
words.
golden to the sparrow.
Yeah, no words. Just absolutely I'm so touched. And you know, these children, they are like our children. You know, it's like when Mozza Mudabir talk in Lit Circle, I feel proud. When Safia gives me economics answer, I feel proud. You know, when rights are like, you know, even with all that musty of theirs, when they performed the Hyde Park, I was so proud. Each and every one, the Curies, everyone. You know, it's like, it's a thing. It's like, you know, they are my own children, and they have made me proud. You know, and there's a long way to go. Love you all, and the team is fantastic. You know, I think, you know, it's like nobody can take a credit. Nobody. It is a team together that we bringing the best out of each other, and I'm so blessed to have all of you. You know, thank you so much.
Thank you
I'm
so
touched.
much.
I
Shazia,
can't
you
say
want to add
more.
anything to that?
I would like to talk.
Oh, yes, Aparna ma'am, absolutely. Shazia, you're muted. Go ahead, Aparna ma'am, first.
First of all, thank you. Thank you for making me a part of this. And one thing that I would like to say is that if I have to be in a school again, it will be Golden Sparrow. I would love to start my journey of school again here. I would have loved it if my children would have been a part of this. I miss it. I really miss it. And thank you so much, Shabana. Thank you. I can't thank you enough ever. And thank you, Daud sir.
I think.
And
we're
I
blessed
love
to
you.
have
I love you all. All you kids are. I just love you all. That's it.
Including the M&Ms? Are you sure?
Yes. In fact, let me tell you, M&M, y'all are extremely creative. I think y'all are all rounders. So don't give up on arts. Keep doing.
Wow, so beautiful, Aparna ma'am. So beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shazia, I want to add the last words. I'm very prompt. I'll tell you, this is only 10 more minutes more, and then we close. So everybody, who has anything else, don't worry. We are not extending. We are not Alfia Ma'am's class.
Sir, where you leave? Sir, we are not playing them, right?
We have a game for you, a lovely game. Shaz, you want to add anything for Shabana Ma'am for what actually your journey with Curie? Trust me, I want to.
I have a question for you.
Okay, after this, let's Shazia Ma'am. Let's just. Anas, when you grow up, you'll understand why I have to let her speak first.
I love all the kids. I really love them. As Shabana ma'am said, like, you know, just like my own kids, I really love all the kids actually. And I'm so attached to them. When I was not well, more than them, I was missing it, and I wanted to take the sessions with them. I was missing so much, and so many negative thoughts were going on whether I'll be able to take the sessions again with them or not. So this made me realize how much I love them. And Shabana ma'am, I love you a lot, and you gave me the courage that I can teach in Golden Sparrow. Thank you.
Oh, you are the culprit. Now I realize.
Yes, that credit I will give Shabana. Thank you. You gave me that. I would not have done this if it was not for Shabana.
Shabana ma'am, you assemble the Avengers team now. This Avengers team is all there, hers. Wonderful. Despite having students like Rushda in the class, imagine having Humaira Qasim. Oh my goodness, all of them. I think we love all of you. You all are amazing. I pull some of your legs. I love the kids. I just waiting to see you in real, you know, just waiting to actually play football with you, take you out to McDonald's, go spend some time, do storytelling. I think you've been amazingly well behaved online. Trust me, you all are fantastic kids. We are blessed to have. Are you ready for 10 minutes of quick game?
I want to say something.
Abdullah, yes. Abdullah, brevity. That means short ones, okay?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, Abdullah.
Sir, I don't want these holidays because the teachers are like they are making us learn so well that you don't want holidays. Like from other school, like in DWKS, I always wanted holidays. I always wanted to skip the school, but nowadays I just love to come to school because the teachers are.
Yes, he's asking for holiday homework. We get it, Abdullah. Thank you.
Abdullah, wait. Farhana is going to talk to you. Farhana, he does not want holidays. But thank you so much,
We do
Abdullah.
not want holiday homework. We want no holidays.
How dare you? No holidays. Abdullah, look. Yeah, absolutely.
Spirit animal, you know?
Yeah. All the
Sir, the teachers want holidays. Like Alfia ma'am, she always looks forward for
Look at
holidays
that.
only. So she gets to see BTS.
Keep
Yeah.
quiet. That's oscillation from all the previous years that I've had.
Yes,
In
all
other
right.
schools,
Everybody, we've got a Damshaz. We have got too many things that we planned, but no, we're going to clutter down to just one game of Damshaz. The teachers are going to get a Damshaz. I'm going to, just put your chats on. So I'm going to do a private message each one of you, and you can choose Curie, Wright, or Mandela. Everybody mute yourself. When a teacher says Curie, she's going to do a Damshaz, and Curie will answer. So everybody gets an opportunity. Simple as that. No need to explain, right? Just tell me the name of a teacher, and I'm going to send a message. Oh, I have to see who the name is. Okay, yeah, you are. We are starting with, of course, which teacher should I go ahead with?
Shabana ma'am.
Shabana ma'am, what's your screen name?
Alfia ma'am.
Okay, Alfia ma'am.
Alfia ma'am.
Let me give a difficult one to Alfia ma'am.
Anyone.
Alfia ma'am, your name, I've given you a private message with a Damshaz, a difficult one. Go ahead, enact it, guys. Listen to her. Rest of you, I'm sending your messages to you. Okay?
Spotlight her.
Okay, I'll do that. Captain America got the message. Shazia is Thor. Alfia, are we already starting it?
Yes, I'll start.
Alfia ma'am, pin your video.
What is...
I think thou should pin my video.
Just a minute. Okay, sorry, I'm pinning her, and I have to just send a message to everyone else. Okay, Alfia ma'am, there you are.
2 words.
English. One.
First word.
First word.
What?
What is it?
Water is falling.
Ma'am is showing some experiment.
Sand floor.
Experiment.
It's sand.
Second one.
First one is storm.
Sandstorm. Sandcastle.
Wow. Well done. Well done. Who goes next? Captain America, a spotlight on you.
English.
English, okay.
One word. First word.
Air. Whisper. Gossip.
Rumor.
Hulk is right.
Tail. Okay.
Huh.
So we have tail.
5 seconds.
Fairy tale.
Hulk, go on.
Tail.
Lion tail.
5.
Fairy tale.
Yeah, Aisha Kazi got it. Aisha Kazi, go on.
Fish tail. Okay. Close. You can tell the answer.
Turtle. Tail.
Turtle. After all, she's an English lit circle teacher. All right, who's going next? Vidhi ma'am, are you ready? Can you go next? If Curies will see.
Sir, can you spotlight her?
I'll spotlight. Is she ready? Hold on. Yeah, Vidhi ma'am, you got your clue, right? Okay, yes, you on the spotlight, Vidhi ma'am. Go ahead. And I want the Curies to shout the loudest. All right, rest of you just.
Can you lower your camera a little bit?
You're so particular.
I haven't received the movie name.
You haven't? Oh, no. There is a. Just check the chat. I will send you again.
It's not a movie. Those are just random words.
If not, I will WhatsApp you, Vidhi ma'am. Can I go to Aparna ma'am if I can WhatsApp Shruti ma'am? Aparna ma'am, you got your clue? Okay, I'll just spotlight Aparna ma'am for the time being, and Vidhi ma'am, I'll resend it to you in the WhatsApp if I can. Go ahead, Aparna ma'am. I'll send to Vidhi ma'am.
Two words. First word. Circle. Ball. Pierce.
Cut the fruit. Okay. Sweet lemon. Mosambi juice.
Orange juice.
Oh, lovely.
Orange juice.
Brilliant, Aparna ma'am. That was good. Shruti ma'am, are you ready? Can you go?
Yeah, yes, I'm ready.
Okay, as a spotlight on you, Shruti ma'am. There you are.
Okay.
Ma'am,
English. First word. Washing. Blue bubbles.
All right, you
Bubbles
got
is
it.
correct.
Any bubble was good. Right, Shazia, are you ready to go next?
Yes.
Okay, the spotlight on you, Shazia.
so loud.
I didn't get the word.
You didn't get it yet? Okay.
No.
Okay. I'm WhatsApping you. I'll come over and tell you it's okay. Vidhi ma'am, I will let me go to Vidhi ma'am and then I'll go to you, Shazia. Okay. Vidhi ma'am, got your name right?
Yes,
You're on the spotlight, Vidhi ma'am.
Two words. First word.
Monkey.
That's third one.
Gruffalo.
Joker.
Horns.
Viking.
Yes.
Rhino.
Bear. Okay. Second word. Second word, yeah.
Second word.
Don't do that. Second word, yeah. Okay. First word. Okay. That was the second word. Bear was the second word.
Bear
This is
was
the
the
first
second
word.
word.
Got it.
Grizzly bear.
Polar bear.
Cuddly bear. Cuddly bear.
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Well
Teddy bear is the answer.
done. Teddy bear. All right. What else? Shazia ma'am is the last in our today's session, and there
I'm
you
so sorry. I'm participating with the
Spotlight.
kids.
We should have for Dawood sir also.
Yes.
Okay, I'm on the chat. All game.
First word. English. Glow. Light
Flower.
Vidhi ma'am already guessed. Vidhi ma'am guessed.
It's the right answer. The rose as a flower. Fantastic. Shazia, all you should have shown is just shown me and then giving something, and they will have guessed. All right.
Somebody said no.
Look
Somebody
at that.
said no. Wow.
We got something special for Dawood sir.
We got something.
Are we
else.
ending? Are we ending now?
This is the last one. If you're giving me, I'm spoiled.
Yeah. Alfia ma'am, should we
Yes,
go
yes.
ahead with it?
Yes. Let's go. Okay. So we have prepared certain dares for Dawood sir. All right. And he doesn't have an option. It is dare to dare. Okay. So the first one is Dawood sir. You have to draw Shazia teacher's beautiful face. Your love for her depends on your drawing. I dare you to draw Shazia ma'am's beautiful face. And your love for her depends on the way you draw.
Paper, please.
On the
Okay.
paper, please.
I'll annotate. Don't worry. I'll just annotate.
The guy has to draw the paper.
So this is Shazia.
How Dawood sir will draw?
No, do it on the whiteboard, sir. No cheating.
On
You
the
cannot
whiteboard?
trace from her face. Wow, that rhymed. But yeah.
You're fantastic, Alfia.
Thank you.
Seriously, Alfia ma'am. Get that. So
Ma'am, Dawood sir can just take a screenshot.
Draw. I said draw. You know?
Omar, shush, don't give ideas.
There's a reason you need to focus on the words. I said draw.
So I just took a screenshot. Here.
Bad.
And
That's how much he loves her. Shazia ma'am, today no tea for him.
every night
Mom.
she comes in my dreams. It's called a nightmare.
Amarna ma'am, you'll have to teach arts to our teachers also.
Yes, please.
Of course.
All right.
Okay. Next we have Dawood sir. You have to rap to any Bacha or Honey Singh song.
Oh. So this.
Come on. You can look up for the lyrics on Google. Any Bacha or Honey Singh song. Come on. Students, do we have any suggestion or any request? And Dawood sir is going to rap to it.
I did not get this. Please sing the song on your ringtone.
Dawood sir has to rap. Okay, Dawood sir has to rap on any Honey Singh or Badshah's song.
Okay. I know. There's only one line that I know. That's what.
Go ahead,
it's
give
a
it a
Bengali
try.
line. All right. What is that? Shazi, what is that? Lomba lomba chool. I don't know which one is that. Yes.
Okay, sir, we'll be a little lenient. You can rap a nursery rhyme. Go ahead.
Okay.
And we'll beatbox.
Black
Come on,
ship.
students, hype
Yo,
them
come
up.
on, everybody.
Hey, come on.
Black ship. Have you any wool? What's the next one? Don't make me a fool.
bantai rap.
Right.
Abby में बंटाई rap. Oh.
Time up.
बचाएंगे जो नहीं नाचेंगे उसको भी नचाएंगे.
Oh my goodness.
You know, this proves why Dawood sir is the leader, you know, hands down leader. A huge applause for him. That was super cool, Dawood bhai.
All
Alfiana,
right,
are
I
you
think
up your tricks again? Are we done?
no. I think that's a wrap, sir.
Everybody, Umar, you end on a perfect note. It's a wow for all of you. Thank you so much for being such a sport, all your students and your parents, and of course the amazing teachers you've got. This is official holiday announcement from tomorrow until 23rd. Then we are only meeting on 24th of November. Bye bye everybody. No holiday homework, no Zoom
No
classes.
holiday homework. Do not contact me because I'm not here.
Everybody, bye bye. See you.
Bye, sir.
Remember the medal.
Bye. See you. Love this session.
Remember the medals.
We'll do that.
After holiday.